Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mac, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you rotate an image or a photo on your Mac for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to rotate an image in your Mac anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if you're doing content, sometimes the pictures come in sideways, so you need to rotate it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in your Mac. You don't have to download a program or even pay for the service. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up a few images here on my computer. So in order to rotate an image, first, let me go ahead and show you what this image looks like. So I'll choose this one. Okay, you can see this is an image of Fargo, North Dakota. So if we want to rotate this, all you're going to do is just click on the file and then right click on it. Once you've right clicked, you want to scroll down and click on Quick Actions. Once you do that, look for this button here, rotate left. Okay, so immediately, even in the preview, it rotates left. So there is no rotate right. So if you receive an image like this, you're gonna have to rotate it a few different times. So all you're gonna do is just do the same thing, right click on it, Quick Actions, rotate left. Okay, it's upside down, so we have to do it 2 more times. Quick Actions, rotate left, and last time, Quick Actions, rotate left. Okay, so now the image is correct. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to rotate an image using just your Mac, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.